Ganda dito, oh. We have 5 minutes. Ang ganda naman dito, uy. So nice here. Oh. Wow. Mayor, take a photo of me. Guys, nakalabas na kami. Gabi kainit, guys. Uy. 25 degrees. Sinaw, wala akong agtang. Oh. Where are we going? In the zoo. We're not going in the zoo.
In the castle?
In the castle, yeah.
No.
Yeah, we're going in the castle.
I want the pink castle. That's okay. Yeah. I tried that, Mama. Why is it not on the way?
Yeah. Which one? Press. Yeah. It's a castle in Brule. Hi guys! Andito na kami. It's Brule. Saan yung Brule ba niya? Baho lang. Yeah. It's the castle. Look at that. There's the bus from Fantasyland. Bruler? What is this called? Bruler?
Brule.
Brule? Brule day, guys. Brule. Hi! Ganda. Ang laki ng palasyo, guys. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't wanna go home anymore? Ang ganda dito. Yeah, we take a photo there. Ganda dito, guys. Maganda naglaag mi ngayon kasi maganda yung panahon. Ano, hindi sunny siya tapos kahapon ang ulan. Saturday kahapon. Yeah, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Dagang. Dagang. Forward gang. Should be our YouTube channel. The Forward gang. Gang. Gang is like a group of Pansin.
Baby.
Gang. Yo, gang. Guys. What's the name of the castle? Parang sinaunang panahon talaga. Nangagubot akong mga sakop guys. Kaya wapagay may kaabot. Ang isa gadala na og salt stick ko. Okay. Gusto kumain. What's that? Tingala siya sa a flugel. Okay. A bird. Ang ganda dito guys. Uy, entrance pa lang tayo ha. Wala pa tayo naka ano. Ano kang history nitong castle na to? Alamin natin. Alamin. Come here, the two of you. Walk, walk. Look at that Francis. Oh. Gabi ng abtik na kay Mulakaw. Big girl na talaga at big boy. Come here. Nag-una na ang duha oh. Nagkasinabot silang dalawa. Si Frank at si Ella yung nagdala ng kindervan. Come here. Come here. Awa, dadamag ang brother. Be careful, Francine. Oh, kiss good siya sa iyong brother. Kiss. What's the name again pa? Brol? Is the castle Brol? Huh? Mula in tawon. Come here, Dai. Close here. It's called Schloss Ausgussberg.
Ticket for what? The guidance to go around the museum.
It's big. Ito yun. Open that, baby. What is in there? So ito yung
You
can go in?
You can go inside and you get a tour.
Okay.
Pretty big.
Yeah, isang laki.
Up and down here.
Ito yung papasukin natin. Should we?
Schloss Benna is similar to
Yeah,
this.
similar, no? Dito sila. Ngayon, nandito sa Schloss Augustusburg, Lisuda, basahon, oy. Then, since when ba ito nagkuhan? Wala man. Shit ko. Francis! Nag-ano kami ka ng ticket, guys. Hanap tayo ng souvenir. Baligya, guys, souvenir. So guys, pasok tayo doon sa loob. Binigyan nila ako ng ganito kasi hindi ako nakakaintindi ng Deutsch.
Hello?
So, gamitin natin to para natin. Ano kayang nasa likod dito? 1 PM pa yung namin. Meron pa kami mga 10 minutes. So, ko i-check ano to dito. Punta tayo. Ano to dito sa dito na banda. Kasi baka umulan. 1 hour kasi yung tour. Ayan. No, you don't need to. It's dirty. Ang lawak. There's no elephant here. Come here, we go in the castle inside. Na. Pag hindi pa nga nakapasok sa loob. Naghugaw-hugaw ng dalawa, guys. Nagdudumi na ang dalawa, oh. Come on here. Pagay na kuan. See, brother is following you. So if you come back here, brother will also come back. Come here. Where's Mayor? Mayor. Meron pa tayong 8 minutes. 8 minutes or 5. Francis, come. Come here. Brother is copying you. Si Ilaw, ang busy guys. Bisag naso tungas dalan la. Brother, come. Come, brother. Si Francis, ang bigat ng katawan niya ba maglisod siya. Maghubog maglakaw. Lasing ka, bi? Slowly, day. Hawiri, day. Mulahos, day. Yan ang cellphone, day. It's nice there. Ganda dito, oh. We have 5 minutes. Ang ganda naman dito, uy. So nice here. Oh. Wow. Mayor, take a photo of me.
Genau, das zur großen Jagdlandschaft ins August. Sonst zu diesem Raum, wir haben hier einen sogenannten Reiseschreibtisch.
Guys, nakalabas na kami. Gabi kainit, guys. Uy, 25 degrees. Sinaw, wala akong agtang. It's 25 degrees. Ang punta kami din dyan, guys. What is that for? Anyway. 27 degrees we have. Oh, ganda ng view. Ganda dito, guys. See. Ito yung nasa harap ng palasyo. Ayan. Hindi bawal mag-video sa loob, guys, kaya hindi ako nakapag-video. Yeah, Kaka from duck. Where's Papa? Yeah. Come here. Yeah, the duck are there. Come here. Ang init. Ducky. Watch out that you step on kakaduha. From Ducky. Duckies. Look here, Duckies. Come here, Duckies. Watch out, be careful. Be careful not that you fall there. It's deep water. Come here now. Don't go step there. Just stay in the ground here. You will fall. It's heavy. It's deep water there. There's the gang. Gang. Gang daw. Sabi ni Frank. Sabi ni Mayor. Gang. Not daw gang. Gang. Gang? Not gang? Gang daw. Not gang. Gang. Gang daw. Gang daw. Ano ni Frank? It's very nice here. Ang ganda. Schloss Augustin. Ang sa to basta mo na to. Haman to, where is the page? Where is that? We read it again. Schlosserbrunn or Schloss Augustusburg. I think pareha to sa pinuntahan namin na isa. Hindi nila pinakita lahat ng room. Hindi nila pinakita lahat ng room, guys, pero ganda sa loob. Maybe I will insert the kung pupunta kayo dito, yung nasa Germany, pag may family ticket kayo, Augustusburg 20 euros lang siya. And then family na. Is that how many kids is the family?
Didn't say.
Didn't say, no?
2 grown-ups and then kids.
2 grown-ups then kids. Yung kunin nyo, 20 euros. Ang
Two
ganda
children.
kasi may 1 hour na siya na history telling ba about sa castle. About kang Clement Augustus. Ang ganda ng castle.
1700 to 1761.
1700 to 1761. Ang dami kasing castle dito sa Germany, guys. Oh yeah, ito. The castle was since 1700 to 1761. Diaw mo na. Kahakana.
And after that, the French came.
Yeah. Ang French.
And invaded.
Sinakop ng French.
Germany somehow.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, that's the kingdom or not kingdom. It's different, like Fürstentum. I don't know what that is in English. It's like a what is it like in English? Like a baron, something like that.
Okay. So
And
ayun.
it ended then on that.
Sinakop ng French at doon wala na. Oh, he took your coat. Get it, Tay. Schnell, Tay.
Yeah, it's a field one.
Nahulog.
Oh, they're fighting for the food.
Gutom na kami. Wala pa kaming lunch. So,
Snacks.
yeah, we're having the snacks. Upo muna kami. We rest a bit. Then we have to go. Hindi ko na namin siguro ito malibot tong buong Kastilyo. So, let's see. We see you in the next castle trip. kung saan kami, where is the next castle trip. Close it, Francine. Nilandong na. Pwede na.
We can go for a swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can swim in.
Hello, Ella. Pag swimming, mukigol. Mag-swim ka drang. Not yet.
Are you tired?
Not so loud.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
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 Are you tired?
Quiet because Papa is sleeping.
What?
Papa is sleeping.
Papa?
Let him be. He's tired. Let Papa be.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
Are you tired? Mama?
Not yet.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
Are you tired? Mama?
Yes.
Is Santa?
Yeah.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Be quiet.
Yay! Yay! What? Is Susan home?
Dankeschön. She said guten Appetit. Tulog. Igutom. Francine, no need to have sauce. You don't need to. That's chef. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah, just leave that there. Come on, faster, eat. Give brother, be fries. Thank you for brother.
What is that?
Eat your nuggets while it's still warm.
With a burger.
Sige.
What? You made in the wall?
No, on the wall, yeah.
Yes.
Guys, nandito na naman kami sa Cologne. Kasi yung train namin na-cancel. So, dito nag-stop. Kumain lang kami dito sa McDonald's. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin malapit lang to dito eh. Ayan. Nandito na naman tayo. The gang. Ang mga... Francis tayo, ganahan siya. What? You want to go now? All the kids are dancing only.
Francis, guck sie Mathe an.
Sit, 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 sit. Seatbelt pass. Seatbelt pass. Hello? Hello?